Alright, boys. Running up another rapid game. Gonna start her off with e4. Then knight to f3. Okay. Let me get a Petrov. Now. I think I'll just play normally. Okay. We'll bring the queen out to defend this pawn. Okay. And I wonder what the best move is here. I'll just move back square. Go here. Maybe get some natural development in if he wants to trade the bishops. Okay. I don't want to take here because then he could take and has tempo on my queen. So let's just play here. Try to castle queenside. Okay. And we get this move. Okay. Let's go for this. Yeah, this looks like a nice move. Right? Because then if I go here, he takes with this knight. I take with the pawn, and then I have a fork. Let's see if he falls for that. And then at the same time, I'm attacking this bishop. Take with the knight. Or the rook, I mean. My apologies. And then even if he tries to threaten this move, I can, could take with check. Okay. Dead goes for this. I think we're doing pretty decent here. What can I threaten here? Let's just move our h-pawn. Okay, he goes for this. It's fine. Okay. And now do I want to take here? Takes. Yeah, and we definitely can take here. Now let's go for takes. See what he... Okay, he takes with that. Now this hangs. So let's just move the queen here. Keep eyes on this pawn and this pawn. Also while it's protecting this. Double protecting it. But I'm gonna wanna, I believe, move, or actually... Yeah, let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple. I do have ideas of doubling up. I could play rook to f1, trying to push this and break open the center, which I think I like a little better. Opening up this diagonal would be very nice. Okay. Okay, now I could take this. This is free. Or no, yeah, I can. And you can't take this rook because it's protected by the bishop, so let's take. Now, if he wants to go for something like take, take, okay. Now I could just block his rook off, and his rook is trapped. Okay. Looking good so far. He actually has 0 squares to move his rook, so he did not see that move. Okay, takes the rook, or he takes my bishop, so I'll take back with the pawn. So now we have an endgame with a queen versus a rook and a bishop. So let's move here, threaten the rook. Okay, I was gonna say threaten the rook and threaten the pawn, but he didn't see me threatening the rook, so I'll just take his rook. And we get resignation. Alright, cool. He wants to rematch, but I'm gonna go straight to game review and see what they have for me. I haven't been getting super high accuracies, but this seems to be a pretty decent game by me, 84.3%. I never play a Petrov defense as well. Let me, okay, my fault. You guys can't see that. Switch the screen. Yeah, 84.3%. 1 mistake, 6 inaccuracies. But, yeah, let's see. Book move, book move. Okay. Taking back with the queen is okay here. What is it? Does it prefer the knight? Oh, it prefers to push. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay. Okay. Could have just pushed the pawn. So that's an inaccuracy. This ignores an opportunity to develop a queen off its starting square. Okay. I guess he could have gone queen here, threatening to win this pawn. Because then this is protected. Or this is getting attacked twice, and then the only way would be... This is the idea here. He plays this, and then if you play this, you could just take with the bishop, and then you take back, and then you could just take that pawn for free. That's what the engine was thinking. But let's continue down this path. Okay, we get another inaccuracy. What's the best move here? Just to take. But then does he not just win tempo? But then you win it back, since you could just move, shuffle back and threaten the knight. Okay, cool. What was this? His best move to castle queenside. He makes a mistake. This allows me to kick the bishop. Like a move like this? Or I get an inaccuracy here. My idea was for him to trade this and then me get a skewer. Or not a skewer, but a fork with the pawn. But instead he takes, I take. Okay. H4 isn't a good move here. What is the best move here? Just to take? Okay. Take. There was something better for me. Take here first. Yeah. Take him with the knight there is better. Okay. Alright, then I could take. And that's good. All good. And this is where it starts getting a little crazy. Yeah, it likes doubling the rooks a little better, but I wanted to play for this this type of setup. Okay, here. Okay, and then yeah, he just overlooks that I could trap his rook. And yeah, then he just blunders. This move hurts my chances. Interesting. Interesting. But yeah, then he blunders his rook. So yeah, resigns. Okay, cool. Not a bad game. Petrov defense, never play that. So maybe we'll see some more of that in the future. Chess.com rates me 1750. I will take that. And yeah, until next time, road to 1500.